Alright guys, welcome to Sunday Funday. Yeah, it's back. Are we working on cars today? No, we're working around the yard doing some stuff. Let me show you what I've been doing here lately, or I haven't, but my good brother Rich. I don't know if y'all remember, you don't really see my backyard very often, but I had a metal roof that went over top of my upper deck up here. And it was good while it was there, but the rain always came down through it, you know, because what would happen is the roof sat up above. If you know what I'm saying, it sat on posts like a good foot higher, so when it rained heavy, the rain would come down, bounce off the gutter, land on the furniture. So it's kind of a pain. So we're going to build this roof out proper, the same pitch line as that, all the way out to cover the stairs, you know, pot lights, fan, heater, the whole 9 yards. We're going to cover this whole deck properly up there. So he started ripping that apart. So our backyard's a bit of a mess right now. It's going to be warm today, might be able to uncover our pool, go for a little dip in the chill zone. That's right, it may not be a full-on pool, but it does the job. Last night we had Papa over Coco. Papa Coco and I, you can see there's some leftover beer cans there. Having a good old time. We had a fire going and got out of control. You can see the fire got out of control. Took out the grass. Anyway, so what's going on today on this Sunday Funday? Well, it's just a cleanup day. So, I've been cleaning up a lot around up in here and getting rid of stuff and, you know, just tidying up all these starters and things like that. Like we put this other shelf up, all these starters and stuff. This was stuff in the shop. Well, I'm trying to keep this the mechanical bay, and I don't mean mechanical to work on it, but where anything engine transmission related is here, except from a tractor, of course. So I'm trying to tidy that up and keep all that stuff in here, right? That's what's going on there. As you can see, a little bit of everything, a little bit of lots, you name it, we got it. Got to get the hood out of here, but whatever. Lots of stuff. I hung up all these valve covers. They were in the shop. They don't need to be in the shop, right? And of course you've got a little western bar area theme going on. That's why I don't cut the weeds there. Let the weeds grow. I think it's kind of cool looking. The wife likes it. I likes it. I might have had one too many beer last night, so I apologize for the speech. You know, this is an old horse, and we kind of let this grow up around it. You know, these are just weeds, but I'm letting them come up through. Right in front of our western bar. And yes, that is a 32 Ford front windshield around there. So, went picking yesterday. Found this little guy. He kind of reminded me of Hank. It says Kelowna, BC on it. That's why I grabbed it. This is going to go in our shop today. Plastic glaze. Cleaner and polisher. I thought it was cool with the car on there. Guy doing a mirror. Alright, very cool. Delco-Remy, look at that. Voltage regulator, Industries. Thought that was cool. So these three items were $10. Then this is an original ashtray. I've got several of these. They go onto your dashboard. They were an option today, but this one says right on there, Hollywood accessory. This, there it is there. There's how it goes. This is still in the original box. That's actually, you know what that dashboard is? You guys take a guess what that dashboard is, because I can tell you right now what that dash is. And I'll give you a hint. It's funny, they'd put an ashtray there when there's already an ashtray there. But anyway, that dashboard, I'll give you a hint what it is. You guys write in and tell me what you think it is. I already own the car that dashboard is actually pictured in. And this is the first time I'm realizing this right now. So I got that. And then I got these old headlights. I'm thinking Model T. You open them up, you light the lantern. There's where they bolt on. I'm going to bolt those somewhere outside in the yard here. And maybe put some little flickering candle things in them, you know, little battery operated ones. Maybe do them somewhere out here so when the bar's open, they look cool. Yeah. So we grab that. And yeah, we got a lot on the go. But that's okay. And I know I got to get my cars done. But everyone's asking how the 55's come along. The engine is coming home very soon. The engine is probably 2-3 weeks away. Transmission's already here, ready to go. As soon as the engine gets home, I'm going to get onto the diff and then get all that in there. Get the firewall painted, get it all in, so that the running gear will be in that car for sure before the end of summer. But things slowed down a bit. You all know I had little boy Dawson. I love him to bits. And I knew he was coming. You guys didn't know he was coming. I did. But the car building has not changed any. Nothing has changed for me there. It's summertime. I knew he was on the way. I want to spend time with him. I want to do things. He's going to be out here later in the shop helping me work. 1 month old. And he's going to be helping me out today. Damn right he is. You got to get him out here early. All right, he was out yesterday. He went to the winery, and he had some drinks with me and Coco. He had a good old time. You can just imagine how this boy's going to be when he gets older. Anyway, so if you all ever remember my old videos, you remember it used to be a shelving unit just like that there. Gone, cleaned it out, got rid of it. So we got to empty this one out today. We're going to tuck it over, move it over, right? And look at the crap. Haven't moved anything here for ages. Look at just the mess under there. Anyway, you know, these are all old brake parts. I keep old brake parts. You never know when stuff like this is going to come in handy, right? All this stuff, keep it all. But I need a new box. Box falling apart. So we're going to move this. We're going to clean it. We're going to move it. We're going to put it over there. I'm hoping Dawson can empty a lot of the shelf off for me. I'm sure he can. He's a month old. He's got to be strong enough to do that. I mean, come on, boy. Get to work or get out. Anyway, he's going to take care of that for me while I sit back and drink a root beer. And we're going to move that over. We're going to tidy up and, I don't know, just straighten things up. That's our plan today. Straightening up stuff slowly. So it's one of those days. It's a beautiful day today. It's going to be 26 or 27. Love it. And yeah, it's like truck central around here. Look at all these trucks. 72, 63, 72, 56, 72, 54. It's just truck city. Don't know what's going on. Anyway, so I think I'm going to start taking some of this stuff down myself while I wait for my boy to come on out. He's just having himself a glass of milk right now. We'll be hard at it. All right, shelving unit is moved over. All the stuff is on the ground. Thanks to Dawson. That's right, he moved it all. And well, now he's decided to take a nap. So we'll check in on him in a minute. But now I have to put it all back. So we're going to keep it here. Next thing I got to do too is I used to have some old heaters in here. There's a thermostat here and all this old wiring. Going to get that out of here. And that's actually a 220 plug, so I can free that up off the breaker box and just get rid of it. So I'm going to get rid of all that crap there. That's what's going to go on. But yeah, we got quite the mess here. And of course, where you put this stuff away, you throw a lot of it out. You wipe a lot of it down. You know, something spilt on the wall back there, I see. Never got cleaned off, so I'll have to deal with that situation. But that's okay. We got to get rid of stuff. We got to move stuff. We got to just get dwindled down here on certain things. So let's go see if we can find Dawson, what he's up to right now. Let's see. Dawson, where are you, bud? Hey! He's pretty small, so he can pretty much hide anywhere. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, don't tell me he's taking a nap break. Are you kidding me, dude? He's had a couple bush beer and he's out like a light. Like, what the hell, man? Oh, well. What can I say? He takes after his father. Can only work so long before you have a beer, right? Anyway. All right, well, we're going to continue on here and make shit happen. All right, we're slowly getting there. Top of the table's getting emptied off. Floor's getting cleaned back up. Garbage can's getting full. Small things are going on marketplace. And this is looking good, I think. Like I said, so you can see where the shadowing is. There used to be another rack like that. There was 2 racks here. And it's just stuff accumulating and accumulating that I just, you know what? It's just too much. Too much. And I need to get rid of certain things. Just don't want it around anymore. That's okay. Sometimes you got to do a cleanup in the shop. It sure opens that wall up. Now I'm going to put a shelf across there. Maybe today if I can find a piece of wood around the house. I just use what I have. Put a shelf across there for stuff that I'm not going to use too much. And that's, like I say, it still leaves that wall open. So when I get this engine moved, I'll have to have the neighbor come with a forklift and move it again. I should have never set it there in the first place. I don't know what I was thinking. We're not doing this job till September, but look at all the room it takes up. Oh, God. Sometimes I wish that customers, when they have stuff like this, they just store it themselves. It seems like they think when you got a mechanical shop that you can just store everything for them, and it's a pain. Pain in the ass for everyone. But it's the price you pay, I guess. I'm thinking about doing something with this pegboard too. Maybe a new one. Change it. Maybe make this another new one, make this a little bigger. Because it's getting a little crowded. So we might look into that too. But for right now, my little helper Dawson took off because he says it's lunchtime. So while he's drinking milk, I'm going to go drink beer. Hell yeah. Well, we're getting there. Definitely going to redo the pegboard. So I think I'm going to go down and get a piece of pegboard. I'm going to make this pegboard come all the way over to the shelf. Straight down. Yeah. And then you can organize this a little better. But we are getting rid of stuff. Cleaning up. More organized. Still got some stuff to put away here. These are old chrome valve covers, the cheap nasty valve covers, but these valve covers are actually, they might be cheap and nasty, but they're the cheap and nasty ones from like the 80s. That are even better than the cheap and nasty ones you get today. Unused, brand new. Brand new. So I'm going to display them somewhere, maybe on one of my display shelves. I got shelves there. I got shelves here, right? There's this stuff everywhere. But yeah, try and tidy up, try and clean up. Don't know what I'm doing. Haven't got a clue. Wife and I lately a little bit. I've been talking about heading towards the Okanagan in a couple years now. It's always been my dream to go there. And you know, one minute I'm going, next minute I'm not, because I've done so much around this yard and this shop and made it my own. It's pretty cool, but now that I have a little boy, I just think life up there would be a little better for him growing up, and the wife feels the same way. So are we going anywhere right now? No. But this is why I'm doing a major cleanup around here and getting things sorted out. There's a very high possibility in a couple years we might be going. So that's just the way it is. But like I say, maybe we won't. I don't know. But right now the possibility is super high, and I'm loving it because that's where I've always wanted to be my whole life. So what can I tell you? You got to go where your heart wants you to go, right? Yeah, so with that being said, like I say, we're tidying up, we're cleaning up, we're making things proper, neat. Got to get that 348 put in the Model A. Got to get on that car pretty soon. Back on it. There we go. So yeah, that's what's happening here. So I don't think I got much more to show you today. All these distributor caps I've held on to forever. Because you never know when you're going to need a distributor cap. One could go wrong somewhere. But oh my god, then I start looking in my and I'm like, how many distributor caps do I need? You know? Then I'm like, you know, they're still available on Rock Auto and all that. If you keep one or two as a spare, just in case one day. But do I need 5 or 6? Not really. Are you going to sell a used one? No. So guess what? You in the garbage. That's right. Can't keep it all. Okay, well, I'm going to shut the camera off for a minute and see if I can't find a home for some more of these parts. Alright, we're organized for now. I think I'm going to run down and buy a pegboard and call it a day. Got started at 10, and believe it or not, it's 3, so that's enough for today. Kind of a boring Sunday fun day for y'all, but I wanted to show you what I was up to. At least I was up to something in the shop. Sometimes you can't work on your cars. Sometimes you got to stop and organize. And I had to organize and had to get rid of a lot of junk. Stuff just gathering up. So with that being said, we will call it a day. Go get a pegboard, then call it a day, and sit out in the back porch and have a couple wobbly pops on this Sunday afternoon, and then we'll be on to Monday. And I still ain't working Monday. Hell yeah! Hey, it's always a good time the whole time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button. Seriously, it'll get better.